Now here we will see to how to round up the numbers. We will learn to round up the numbers. The first is round up nearest 10. Suppose any number, suppose we take just from the example 58 is given. So what is the rule and the to rule to round up the number? First of all, in the question it will be given like round up nearest 10, round up nearest 100, or round up nearest 1000. So any it will be given, whatever they will ask, that will be written. So here is we will take nearest 10. So nearest 10 means here is you can see tens. How many digits are there? Ones, tens. Ones, tens. You can read it ones, tens. So same thing we will do here, ones and tens. Now after what you will do, this last where this your reading is over. Reading is over means ones, tens. You read up to tens. So ones, tens. This last one you round it like this, circle it. Sorry. Next what you will do, you just put one arrow like this, and you always remember one rule, always if the 5 is greater than, then we will do plus 1. You will understand it better. Now we will use, then you will understand, plus 1 and less than, then less than, then plus 0. So what is the significance of this all, you will understand now. Now I just put here, you can see I just put one arrow here. Now next what we will do, you just leave this number. Now after this you check, here is what, 8. Just after this circle number, sorry, circle digit, you just check what is that, 8. Now check here, I told that if there is the value greater than 5, what you will do, plus 1. If equal to 5, also plus 1. If less than 5, that you do plus 0. So what is here, greater than 5, so we will do plus 1. So now this plus 1 will be added to 6, sorry 5, so this 2 became 6, and now this 8 will be became now 0. So your answer is 60. One more example just we will do here, then you will understand better. Suppose 765. So but in the question is given nearest, you have to round up nearest 10. So what you will do, count again ones, tens. So where the and, you just circle it and put one arrow. Next is what, you have to check just this circle, just after the circle number there is, here is 5. So what is that, exactly 5, then plus 1. Okay. Now what you will do, same, this 7 you will come down, because it is just after, means that is not come under the your circle, so that you just put it this left side of the circle, you just write down the same, exactly same, whatever digits are there you write down the same. Now here is 6 plus 1, that is again 7, and this 5 means the right side of the circle, that number became 0. So your answer is 770. Got it? If next we can do also another way, another another example, just we take that 5, 2, 3. Again we have to round up nearest 10. What you will do, ones, tens, you just take it, this is tens, put it the arrow, and what you will do, now check this 3 according to that particular table I just told about, less than 5, equal to 5, or so here is what, this 3 is less than 5, so what we will do, plus 0, and the rest we will write down the same. 5 exactly will come 5, 5 plus 0, sorry 2 plus 0, 2, and this is the right side of the circle, so this became 0. So your round up is 520. So likewise you can do round up nearest 10 of any number. Next what next we will know to round up nearest 100 and round up nearest 1000. So that is also very similar. Same, we should know the formula. If 5 is greater than, then plus 1, equal to 5, that is plus 0, sorry plus 1, and less than, plus 0, that you should know. Sorry. Next what we will do, we will know about to round up this number nearest 100. So just take one example, 1, 2, 9. So round up nearest 100. So we will read from like this, ones, tens, 100. So here is 100, and so circle it. Now put one arrow. Now we will check just after this circle number there is 2. So we know according to that table which I told, if number is greater than 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 less than 5 0. So here is this 2 is less than 5, so what we will do, plus 0. So what we will do, 1 plus 0, that is 1, and I told right side of the circle number that all became 0. So 1 0 9 also became 0. So that is your round up, that is your answer 100. Similarly we can just do like this with this 6 7 7 and 4. So we have to round up nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100. So just you circle it, put it arrow, and just you check this number, sorry, check this digit. This is the 7 is greater than 5, so it means we will do plus 1. Here do the plus 1. So this I told that the left side of the circle number that we write the same, so we write the same 6, this 7 plus 1, that is your 8, and the rest this is the right side of the circle, so this becomes 0 and this become also 0. So your answer is 6800. So similarly we can do for the next also, means suppose nearest 1000 also, any number, just I took 6 1 5 6. So there is 1000 we are taking, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here I count ones, tens, sorry, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 1000 place we will circle that, put the arrow. Now this one is greater than, less than, or equal to 5, that is less than, so that is plus 0. So 6 plus 0 6, and 1 is coming the left side, so this becomes 0, 5 also becomes 0, and 6 also becomes 0. So your answer is 6000. Okay, so next another more example we will do. So I am doing one more example, 9500. So we will round up nearest 1000. We are, so ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So this 1000 we will circle, and now this 5 we will check, it is equal to 5, so plus 1. So now work is over, 9 plus 1, so we write here 10. Okay, 9 plus 1 10. Now this 5 became 0, this 0 became 0, and 0 became 0. So this is your answer. Hope you all understand to round up the number. So the rest exercise like 1D, and also you can do some this revision work to understand it better. Okay, thank you.